Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CAP infra token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Or only search for the investing. According to the white paper, CAPverse is the first and flagship application built on top of CAP infra. CAP infra serves as the underlying financial and protocol layer, while CAPverse functions as the gamified interactions, distribution, and user acquisition layer. Through CAPverse, complex RWA allocation and portfolio management are translated into intuitive gameplay where users earn real micro RWA ownership instead of inflationary points. CAP Infra project institution rating is 3.3. CAP Infra token total supply is 200 million. As circulating supply is around 32 million CAP Infra token. CAP Infra token is listed on MBXC, LBank, VIX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, about 70% chance is that it is a digital good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing approaching.